woodcutting enthusiasts, gearheads, and adrenaline junkies. This is your channel. We're bringing you the most insane, most powerful, most mind-blowing wood processing action on the planet. Get ready for the unexpected. Witness the Posh Spaltfix K660A Vario, a beast of a machine. Its hydraulics smoothly feed massive logs into the 35.4-inch supercut saw blade. This precision tool slices through timber with impressive speed. Smart sensors optimize each cut for maximum yield. Then, 16 tons of splitting force from the wedge cracks each log into perfect firewood. This is American power, transforming raw material into ready-to-burn fuel in a flash. You can almost feel the heat. Beat the winter chill with BTD's Pro Compact and Pro Plus log splitters. These front-mounted powerhouses, compatible with excavators, loaders, and tractors, are your ultimate weapon for efficient firewood production. One-man operation? No problem. Forget frozen logs and icy yards. Farmers, this is your winter game changer. BTD ensures smooth, economical firewood processing even when Mother Nature throws her worst at you. Get your BTD splitter and dominate the cold season. The Pilkmaster Super is a practical and efficient firewood processor. Simply load logs up to 7.9 inches thick onto the rollers. The machine automatically cuts, splits, and transports firewood up to 19.7 inches long to your trailer. A 25.6-inch wide debris clearing conveyor adjusts easily. It weighs 1984 pounds and requires 54 horsepower from your tractor's PTO. This automated processor simplifies firewood production, making it a smart choice for anyone needing a reliable and time-saving solution. For demanding forestry operations, the Doosan DX210W-5 wheeled excavator offers a powerful solution. Its 173.5 horsepower Doosan engine ensures mobility and performance, while the Kohler P60 harvester head enables efficient felling, delimbing, and cutting. This combination delivers productivity, even in adverse weather. A used 2017 model with 7,622 operating hours is currently listed in Spain. This unit is priced at approximately $85,000, presenting a cost-effective option for expanding your fleet. Tired of slow, inefficient firewood processing? The West Brennholzsäge is your answer. This heavy-duty machine, compatible with tractors and loaders requiring at least a 13.2 gallons per minute hydraulic flow, tackles even the toughest logs. Its unique bottom-up cutting method and a stellite-reinforced blade means no more jams and cleaner cuts. This 1,433-pound workhorse, priced at around $15,660, excluding tax, is a game-changer for anyone who wants to say goodbye to firewood headaches and hello to speed and efficiency. Holy smokes! Can you believe that truck is hauling 85 tons of timber? That's like 170,000 pounds of pure wood. And get this, they're doing it on a crazy steep dirt road. One wrong move and it's game over. These drivers are practically superheroes, with nerves of steel and skills sharper than a lumberjack's axe. They are some fearless and talented folks behind the wheel. It is awesome. This has got to be the absolute worst experience ever for this lumberjack. You gotta see this Husqvarna 592 XP paired with a crane. The saw's got a killer sound, and the crane's lifting power is insane. They make chopping down trees look like a walk in the park. The Porsche SPaltFix S280 is a compact firewood processor from Austria. Key specs: 11-inch max log diameter, 27.6-inch Whittier saw blade, 11-ton splitting force. Splitting options: 2, 4, or 6-way. Power sources: electric or PTO. Integrated conveyor belt for material handling. This machine is equipped with electronic control systems for optimized performance. Ideal for small to medium-scale firewood production.
And it's a win.
For a wood chipper that's built to last, choose the Vermeer AX19. It's powered by a robust 173 horsepower John Deere diesel engine and features the innovative Smart Crush system, providing 12,000 pounds of pull for even the toughest materials. It handles big timber and dense brush with ease, offering a long-term solution for demanding jobs. Used AX19s are priced between $75,000 and $117,974. You know, there's just something about those big logging trucks. They're kind of awesome, right? They're these massive machines hauling tons of timber, and they just look so powerful. It makes you appreciate the work that goes into something as simple as a log. Are you still chopping firewood the old-fashioned way? The Bilka S3 is a revolution in firewood processing. This machine handles logs up to 9 inches in diameter, cutting and splitting them in one smooth motion. Its advanced spiral blade design uses less power while delivering uniform firewood. The automatic feed system ensures your safety. With options for electric or tractor PTO power, it's versatile too. Ready for a smarter way to make firewood? This homemade log splitter is a seriously smart design. It's a vertical splitter, which is easier on the back, and that 4-way wedge is going to save you tons of time. Plus, it runs off a tractor engine, meaning it's both powerful and mobile. You could use it anywhere you park the tractor. You can see the hydraulic system working there. If you've got a lot of wood to split, a setup like this could be a real lifesaver, especially as we are heading into the colder months. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Chopping down a big tree in a tricky spot like this can be a real pain, but with the Menzie Muck M340 on your side, it's a piece of cake. You gotta see this combo in action. It's seriously impressive how easy they make it look. Folks, have you ever seen anything like the Morbark M20R? This beast is an absolute monster, making wood chips like there is no tomorrow. With a roaring 415 horsepower cat engine, it's like having a wild animal under the hood. This bad boy can handle logs up to 20 inches thick, no problem. The Advantage 3-drum system? It's pure magic, turning trees into chips with unbelievable precision. We're talking about a used price tag between $115,000 and $199,950. But for this kind of raw power, it's worth every penny. Get this, on a chilly November day in 16, trees are us. Logging and construction thinned out an 8-acre patch of 38-year-old Douglas fir for David and Carol Hull on their massive 300-acre Oregon tree farm. That timber stand, planted back in '85, is a real beauty. Logs were sent off to Seneca Nodi, Seneca Eugene, and Fiber Marketing. Later, a classic 72 Kenworth, powered by a big cam 400 Cummins, hauled a special 3-log load to the Hull Oaks Lumbercomber sawmill. What a day for a timber run. During the March 2013 forest equipment demonstrations, service provider Mark Guy showcased the impressive capabilities of the Lasco screw splitter. Utilizing a 5-ton mini shovel and a Lasco screw powered by dual hydraulic motors, Guy efficiently split a substantial 51-inch wide oak log. This demonstration highlighted the Lasco screw's effectiveness in processing large diameter wood, making it a valuable asset for forestry professionals.